Hello, I am Dr. J, and in this video we will write part 2 of model letter number 11. As you know, this is a letter writing course for IELTS General Training Task 1. Please subscribe to my channel, look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups, like and comment to encourage me, share with other students to help them. Subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. This is an overview of my letter writing course. As you can see, I have started from overview of general training task 1, then band descriptors, types of letters, how to write formal, informal and semi-formal letters, then top 10 tips for letter writing, common phrasal verbs, what is contraction, useful language for letters of complaint, request, help, permission, all of them. Then I have written more than 12 model letters. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. This is an overview of my essay writing course. You can see of my channel. If you go to playlist of my channel, you can see there is an essay writing course, there is a grammar course, 50 videos, essay writing course 54 videos, vocabulary course 73 videos. More courses will be there later on. This was our question for today. You work for an international company, there is an advertisement for a training course. Write a letter to your manager. Describe the training course, what the company can do for you, and how this course will be useful for your job. This was my brainstorming. Training for medical staff to update my knowledge. It would last 1 week, 10 people can join it. So I want the company to give me leave for 1 week. Use how it would be useful for me. Update my theoretical knowledge, better prepared, improve services for of the hospital, something like that you can write. This was my introduction. Now I am going to write first body paragraph regarding details of the course. In the course, senior medical staff will be trained about updated knowledge of some common diseases. In the course, senior medical staff will be trained about updated knowledge of some common diseases. Now, how much it will last? This course will last for 1 week and only 10 employees are allowed to join it. Now, what they can do for me, what the company can do for me, let us write this one. I was wondering if you could support my application for the course because I was wondering if you could support my application for the course because now I need to give my gap of graduation because I graduated in 2010 and 10 years later I need to gain some current knowledge about recently discovered diseases. I need to gain some current knowledge about recently discovered diseases. Now I want to leave. I would be grateful if you can give me 1 week leave so that I can join this invaluable course and write a letter now the subject is same, we will not put comma here, and write a letter of recommendation for me. I would be grateful if you can give me 1 week leave so that I can join this invaluable course and write a letter of recommendation for me. So I have joined two bullet points in one body paragraph. First two one, describe the training course, what the company can do for you. Now I would write how the course would be useful for me. This is my brainstorming, update my theoretical knowledge, better prepared for my service, improved hospital service for patients. Undoubtedly, if I join this course, not only will I get some updated theoretical knowledge, but I will also be able to gain some practical understanding not only will I get some updated theoretical knowledge, but I will also be able to gain some practical understanding about the treatment of common diseases, but as a result I would be better prepared after this course. I will be better prepared to treat our patients, which will ultimately result in us being able to offer an improved service, which will ultimately result in us being able to offer, you can see we can sometimes make silly mistakes, an improved service. So I have written first bullet point, second and third one in the second body paragraph. Now I need to close my letter with the closing sentence. As you know, this is formal letter to the manager, so I would end this in a formal sentence, like I look forward to hearing from you at your earliest convenience. You can end it here, from you, and thanks in advance, and at your earliest convenience, something like that. You can add, there's no problem. Then, as it is in a formal letter, I take care. Or sorry, as it is formal letter, and we know the name of the person here. This is the name of the person, and it is in formal. It is formal letter. So we would, when we know the name of the person and letter is formal, we use the word yours sincerely, comma, then your complete name. Your complete name, okay. So we have written a complete model letter number 11. So after watching my complete course, you would be able to write very good letters, but always remember, get some feedback from any true IELTS expert. I would also start my correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. I would work together with an IELTS expert from UK to provide you advanced, comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. Also join my Facebook group for more updates. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you very much.